XRP is entering another critical decision zone, and today the Infinity Agent is flashing a hold signal with elevated caution conditions developing under the surface. Right now, XRP is trading around the 142 region, while the agent remains in a bear regime with 80% confidence. But this is not a full collapse signal yet. The system is identifying weakening structure rather than outright panic selling. The most important detail on today's chart is the relationship between the 4MA engine, the cycle window, and the projected bear cross. The agent is currently sitting directly inside cycle point 6, one of the historically sensitive reversal areas in this framework. The chart is showing that price has slowed down significantly as the market approaches a projected bearish crossover zone. At the same time, the linear regression direction is still falling, and the 4MA engine remains bearish. That combination is preventing the agent from issuing a buy signal, even though price has stabilized short term. What makes this especially important is that the learning system is beginning to detect weakening momentum inside the current bearish structure. The agent currently classifies the setup as a weak edge environment. That means conditions are not strong enough for aggressive positioning in either direction. The stochastic readings are also mixed. The 4-hour chart is overheated and approaching exhaustion levels, while the daily chart remains elevated, but has not fully rolled over yet. That combination often creates short-term uncertainty and fake breakouts before the next major move develops. One of the biggest warnings on the chart is the projected bear cross marker now appearing ahead of price. Historically, when this projection aligns near a numbered cycle point, volatility expansion tends to increase shortly afterward. The agent is also maintaining a full stablecoin target allocation internally despite the hold signal. That is extremely important. Even though the dashboard says hold, the underlying regime structure still favors defensive positioning until proven otherwise. The learning engine currently shows a global win rate above 53%, but the current bucket sample remains limited. In other words, the agent sees potential instability here, but still needs confirmation before escalating into a stronger sell condition. Right now, the market is sitting in a pressure zone. If bulls can reclaim structure and force the 4MA upward while invalidating the projected bear cross, XRP could attempt another push higher toward the mid-140s and possibly beyond. But if this projected cross confirms, while the regression slope continues falling, the probability of another downside rotation increases significantly. At the moment, the agent is waiting for confirmation instead of predicting emotionally, and that is exactly what it was designed to do. This is not trading advice. Always do your own research. The Infinity Signal, trading the future.